Made of polycarbonate thermoplastic, PCT, material to provide the durability, flexibility, and resilience needed to withstand hard impacts and heavy force. Heat and fade resistant to temperatures over 100 degrees, which protects them against discoloration and fading over time. Flammability UL94, V2 rating. Easy replacement of any light switch plate of the same configuration, oversized dimensions, 5.5 height by 5.5 length. White color, features a smooth finish without recessed lines, soft edges, allows for easy cleaning. The ENERLITES Unbreakable Wall Plate. For residential and commercial applications. Made from unbreakable polycarbonate thermoplastic material to withstand bending, twisting, fading, extreme heat, and heavy impacts. Designed for fast and easy installations, matching installation screws included. Adds a sleek, modern appearance to any residential or commercial location. Top reviews from the United States. Great switch plates. Perfect size and easy to install.